Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful pebble painting ideas for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are top trending, top unique and very beautiful and very latest pebble painting ideas for you guys. Always think positive viewers, always be positive. These are very stunning. These are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. So keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.